What's up, guys? Backroad Repair here. Dustin,
and Justin.
you're gonna hurt yourself.
Yeah, I already did.
All right, we are back for another video. This time we're doing the left side.
Again.
Because, again.
Well, same thing. Again.
Yeah.
On this side.
Yeah. This side should go a lot easier. I don't know what to do with my hands. It should.
I'm gonna let you do that this time.
What?
I jacked it up on that side.
Okay, fine. Jack it up on the exhaust. That's what you do. Right, Justin?
Cause it's sturdy enough to run. It'll be alright.
Yeah.
If it bends the pipe, at least we can make it sound really loud and stout.
Might as well leave it in there. Alright, same process as last time, 22 mil, take the tire off.
Man, don't sound so excited.
What?
Don't sound so excited. You're scaring
Yay.
everybody.
You know, I've got better things that I could be doing other than fixing this truck. Like sitting inside on my fat ass. Oh no, that's lazy. Never mind. We're not lazy here on Backroad Repairs.
Some of us,
right?
anyway.
Shut up. I'm too short.
Don't worry. This is where your buddy come and click.
Huh?
Thought ahead.
Ooh.
How much that do?
What I'm doing right now is taking brake caliper bracket off, caliper, and then pop the rotor off, and then we'll be able to get to the hub assembly. Thank you. Yes. There. Ooh, another backing plate to throw in the garbage. Ugh. You want to throw me that axle nut socket? Or roll it to me, that's fine. Remove axle nut socket, which is supposed to be a 36, but for some reason on this truck we got a 35 millimeter, which I don't understand that. But anywho's, we're gonna need the persuader for this, because if it's anything like last time, they ain't gonna come off. Oh Lord. And this boot, actually, over here, is a lot more chewed up than the last one. A lot more chewed up.
you want the wheel turned a little more?
Huh?
Would you like a wheel turned a little
No,
more?
I just got to tap the socket on a little more of this. Oh, that reminds me too. You got any Greg Biffle fans out there? I'm sure there's a lot of you. Rest in peace to one hell of a man. Maybe. That's hot. That's really hot. Oh, my wife's gonna be mad at me. There's grease on the steering wheel.
Ooh, you better wipe that off. Bitch. So what I'm doing, guys, I'm just getting the hub assembly bolts out right now. These things are kind of stuck. You want to grab me another extension, Justin? Like another 6-inch one? Another 6-inch. Let me see if I have it. Maybe they're 12-inch, I don't know.
There we go. Okay. Now the 3 bolts are out. beat the absolute snot out of it till it comes out. We don't care, that's not the right way to do it, but it is for this case because these are junk. Ooh. Flathead screwdriver or that pick. There we go. Man, these aren't very forgiving, are they? There. Guts. Got it. Okay. Now, same process as last time. Got to remove the knuckle. Gotta get the outer tie rod end off. Remove the knuckle. Get the knuckle cleaned up. Pull the CV axle out. Set that out of the way. Now we can get that one off. That fit last time. I don't have the truck up as high. Okay. Let's go up more. There you go. Yeah, that'll work. That one fell right off. All right. So this is why we're changing this one. If you guys can see in there, there's absolutely zero grease left in it. And one of the seats where the ball bearing rides is actually broken.
I did have to take down the skid plate over the under the differential. It took 4 13mm nuts and bolts for our application. Yours might be different. Oh, this one's going a lot nicer.
Here we go.
Alright. Mind yourself, if you do have it flat, that you might need to have a drain pan for some gear oil. So this intermediate shaft, I guess is what you want to call it, this here sits in the splines on the other side. It's got splines on both sides, but this sits in the differential housing. Sometimes, almost all the time, they come out. So we'll get this viced up, get this separated, and then we'll stick this back inside the truck. So what we're going to do is we wrap this around real good, right? We'll get a second rag, and we're going to vise this. We're going to vise this here, and we're going to beat on this side.
Okay.
No, let me get this wrapped up in here one more time. It ain't perfect, but
yeah.
We want to get our whack device.
The whacker.
And then a little bit of penetrating oil to help the rust on that. Some good old blaster, because I don't have Freon.
Blaster works just the same.
Yep. Everybody's got their preference of lubricants. This one, it does the job. Just takes a little longer. It'll be alright. They've got like PB Blaster Specialist that's really, really good. But that's expensive, I think.
Alright, well that boot ripped. There it went. So what happens here? We just broke the seal from that intermediate shaft and the CV axle. Now it pops right off.
Yep.
That CV axle is junk.
So the side that goes on the differential, you want to put a little bit of oil on that, a little bit of gear oil if you have to lubricate that back up, because wrapping in a towel will soak that. And then grease this up real good with some lubricant, and then a little bit of grease to help slide on the new shaft.
Alright.
So when you go to put these back in, you just treat it like a CV axle. Find the hole, insert gently, just kind of find a sweet spot in there a little bit. That way you match the gearing up, and then you just kind of give a little
tapper on in with a hammer. Fully seated.
Yeah, it's not gonna hurt to tap with your metal hammer or
as long as you guys aren't
on the face,
wailing on it.
On the face and not the splines.
Yep.
Just tap it on in there until you hear the sound distinction of aluminum versus the way it sounds when you're tapping it in there.
Yep. Same as last time. If you guys remember, we ran that along the wire wheel and cleaned it up, put anti-seize on it. We're going to do that real quick and get it put back in. Clean enough for who it's for.
So I did get a little excited over herself, and I didn't have the camera going. That's my bad.
What?
I put the CV Axle in there.
Oh, yeah.
So my apologies, everybody. But yeah, he's got the new CV Axle in there, seated in, and he's going to get the knuckle in there.
Maybe. Okay. Anti-seize. Where to go?
Right here.
That's the way to do it. All of it. This makes the job easier for the next guy.
Which is going to be us.
Yeah, because we're poor. And I can't afford a new truck.
You know what? Nose goes, trade it in.
What?
No, nose goes, trade it in.
The truck my wife wants just so happens to be, you know, like 60 grand that I don't have.
Neither do I.
It's okay. One day, she'll get a $60,000 truck for 20 when it's 14 years old and is full of rust.
Southwestern Michigan area. Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Turn that knuckle a bit.
Yeah, there we go.
Outer edge on it. And then jack it up with a lot of tension, but at the same time,
It's gonna slip off.
take and put that tie rod in there. Help hold it.
Maybe. Where'd the castle nut go?
Is it under light?
No. Oh, here it is. Sitting on the brake rotor. Good place for it. That'll work.
Need a little higher?
Yeah. That'll work. Maybe. Yep. You want to tighten them down until they don't turn anymore.
Click.
Torqued. Same with the top. Fancy.
Not enough speed? Or more tension?
No, it needs more tension.
Back at it with the roller jack.
Good. Or not.
Maybe jack it up till it puts the front in the bind.
God, I can't even get the damn impact out of it. Alright.
Tap that until it smacks it down in there. There you go.
Let's try that.
have to take the green one and finish that off, but at least it's up in there.
Tight enough. There. Alright guys, so we skipped the step of putting the CV axle back in. I got a little carried away there. But I'm going to get this hub assembly completely on and tightened up, and then it's just a matter of putting it back together. You stick brake rotor back on, caliper back on, plug this connection in, and put the tire back on.
Tie rod with a
I got to do the tie rod, but
unless you don't want to steer.
You don't need the tie rod end.
Heck, we can put skates on this thing, just ride around like a snowmobile.
That'd be an idea. I don't think the wife would be too happy about that though. Alright, turn the wheel. You got it?
Yep.
Okay. Just keep turning, just keep turning, just keep turning, turning, turning. What do we do? We turn. Yeah, you're at lock.
I know.
Torqued.
Click.
Didn't you guys hear my shoulder pop? You want to turn it one more time for me, Justin?
Right back the other way.
Alright, it's good. Oh, that one was my second vertebrae. Oh. Torqued. Ouch. Okay. Tighten up tire rod end. Do we need a cotter key? Nah.
That's just a suggestion.
Suggestion. Safety. There we go. Brake rotor. Minus, get rid of the rust on that.
Now you can take you a lug nut and put it on the bottom of the rotor to help hold that. He's using his knee. Once he gets that put in place.
Yeah, you can take a lug nut and hold it on, but
now for those of you who've been watching and paying attention, we'll just wait and give it a little bit and we'll see what he's forgetting.
tighten brake caliper back up.
There you go.
Tighten up the axle nut. What do you think I was going to do? Forget it?
Yep. I thought I was going to have to. I thought I was going to have to stop you from putting the wheel on before you put that.
No. All right, now we just got to put a cotter key in it and put the tire back on. And the front end is done.
Yep. Let me get the little assortment.
Assortment.
Take your pick. Any Scotty P?
I think it was. Which Which ones did I use? I think it was one of these. Cotter pin. Maybe. Not. Grab me those pliers right there, bud. All right, get the tire. All right, tire back up on here. If anyone who's been paying attention, let's see what Justin forgets.
I ain't forgot. Once you're done with that tire, then we're going to take care of it. I'm just going to get this bolted back up. One to get started. The next one in the back side to hold that up. Oh, it helps if I use the right area to bolt it too.
Oh.
This one's
Did you
got
put that thing
selectable
on?
4 bolts in the front and selectable 4 bolts in the back.
Maybe for different trucks or something, I guess.
Yeah, maybe. Same skid pan along the assembly line to see who got what.
Don't let that come down on your head. That wouldn't feel very good.
Give me a big old goose egg, what are they gonna do?
And the rest of us are going to laugh at you.
Oh,
We're
yeah.
going to ask if you're all right first, but then we're going to laugh.
Everybody laughing on the edge of their seat by the time I'm coming to. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. No, I don't know.
No, I'm not good.
I'm seeing pretty unicorns and rainbows. My universal torque and fastener device. Click. Click.
Click.
Click. Click.
And it's good.
There we are. See, I told you I wasn't going to forget. And that concludes this side.
About time we get it done, huh?
Yep. Well, you more than me.
Yeah. Me get brownie points. You got
I'm moral support.
moral support.
Yep.
Tool lending. If it weren't for my buddy here, I wouldn't have nearly the amount of tools anymore to do this shit, but crap.
Yeah,
You know what I
now
mean.
who's got the potty mouth?
Still working on that, guys. Well, until next time.
Yep. We'll see you next time and see what else we got to work on.
Yeah, definitely.
Stay tuned.
See you guys in the next video.